Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to DSS online classes. Myself Pratma Kuswaha, your maths teacher, and today I am going to explain you the question number 7 of exercise 5.1. And this is the question. The question says, draw 5 triangles and measure each sides. Check to each case if the sum of the length of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay. In this question, firstly we have to draw different 5 triangles without measuring. Without measuring, you have to draw 5 triangles. Okay, like this. आपको 5 ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करने हैं विदाउट मेजरमेंट. रूलर लीजिए और मैच कर लीजिए. आई टेक वन एग्जाम्पल बिकॉज 4 out of 5 you have to done. Okay, you have to take a triangle like this and then put its name like ABC, LMN, PQR, like XYZ, like this. Okay, after this, taking this triangle, measure each the sides of this triangle. Okay, then measure AB is equal what, BC is equal what, and AC is equal what. You have to measure these 9 segments, the length of these 9 segments. Okay, so I have no ruler. My पास ruler नहीं है, but you have to exactly measure. So I take a zoom length. A zoom length ले लेते हैं. आप एक क्या लेते हैं, 5 सेंटीमीटर ले लिया हमने. जो मेरे आपको कुछ और आएगा. ओके, बेसी हमने 4 सेंटीमीटर ले लिया एंड इसी 6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, then we have to mind that in this case, if the sum of any two sides length is greater than the length of third side, for this we take sum of any two sides and then see is it greater than third side. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, हम किसी भी टू साइड का सम लेंगे और ये चेक करेंगे वो थर्ड साइड से ग्रेटर है या नहीं है. For this we add firstly this is AB 5 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter and AC 6 centimeter. Firstly we add these length AB plus BC, that is 5 plus 4 is greater than 6 or not. See, 5 plus 4 become 9 is greater than 6. Okay, this statement is true. And second, 4 plus 6 and the two side and the remaining side is 5. Yet 4 plus 6 will be 10, which is greater than 5. Here the sum is also greater. And in third case we take these two sides. These are 6 and 5 is greater than 4 or not. See, 6 and 5 become 11 is greater than 4. Yes. In each case we see that the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे सभी जो ऐड कर रहे हैं, in each cases the sum of any two sides is greater than third side. If you take 5 triangles like this, in each cases you get that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. ऐसे ही हमने 1 triangle का किया है, आपको 5 triangle ड्रॉ करने हैं और फिर ऐड कर ऐसे देखना है. और सभी केसेस में आप पाओगे कि ऑलवेज जो टू साइड को ऐड कर रहे हो वो थर्ड साइड से होगा. ऐसे 5 triangles करने के बाद हमने तो 1 किया है, बट आपको 5 करना है. 5 करने के बाद आप कंक्लूजन में बता दोगे यस the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, otherwise triangle will not pass. मीन्स दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल विल नॉट पॉसिबल, वैसा कोई भी ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है ही नहीं. क्लियर? इन ईच केसेस यू गेट ग्रेटर. क्लियर? सो come on next point, and we have to know about types of angles. Okay, so exercise 5.1 is finished, and next point is types of angles. The range of angles is started from 0 and until 360. जो जीरो रेंज होती है एंगल की वो 0 से स्टार्ट होती है 360 तक होती है. ओके, एंड देयर मेन पार्ट बिटवीन 0 to 360 लाइक जीरो एंगल, स्ट्रेट एंगल, राइट एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, एक्यूट एंगल, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल. ओके, so we classify the different type of angles here. Okay, if we go 0 to 360 degree of any points, this is called one revolution. This is called one revolution. Means अगर कोई पॉइंट गया इससे स्टार्ट करके आप 360 डिग्री कंप्लीट उसका राउंड कर लेते हैं, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड वन revolution. One revolution is complete revolution is 360 degree, and if I say half revolution is what will be the value in degree of half revolution? This will be 360 by 2 is equal to 180. Okay, and what will be the value of 1 by 4 revolution? 1 by 4 revolutions. That will be 1/4 of 360 degree, means 360 degree by 4. It will be 90. So next point, that is revolution. Next point of revolution का वो आपको clear हो चुका होगा. Half revolution is 180 degree, 1/4 revolution is 90 degree, and complete revolution or one revolution means 360 degree. Okay. So come on the topic, that is types of angle. First types of angle is zero angle. Which angle is called zero angle? 0 degree is called zero angle. Okay, 0 degree is called zero angle. Next angle, acute angle. Next type of next type of angle is acute angle, which is less than except 0 को छोड़कर all the angle which are less than 90 degree. Okay, 0 को छोड़कर 1 to 89 less than 90 degree, 90 डिग्री से छोटे सारे क्या होंगे आपके, मीन्स ग्रेटर देन 0, all the acute angles are greater than 0 but less than 90. Okay, here not equal to, less than 90. And next type of angle is right angle. Right angle 90 degree is called right angle. भले 90 डिग्री को राइट एंगल बोला जाता है, अदरवाइज किसी भी एंगल को राइट एंगल नहीं बोला जा सकता. वही वन एंगल दैट इज 90 डिग्री इज कॉल्ड राइट एंगल. ओके, बट दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप सोच रहे होंगे ये तो वन एंगल है, राइट एंगल तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होगा, बट इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइट एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. एंड थर्ड टाइप ऑफ एंगल इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. Obtuse angle. The angles which measure is more than 90 but less than 80. more than 90 but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Okay, and we can note like this: greater than 90 but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Is called obtuse angles. Okay, this is mean that obtuse angle is greater than 90 but less than 1. And next type of angle, that is fifth type of angle, that is reflex angle. Sorry, straight angle. Straight angle. 180 degree, only 180 degree. Okay, only 180 degree is called straight angle. Okay, only 180 degree is called straight angles. केवल 180 डिग्री को ही स्ट्रेट एंगल बोला जाता है, अदरवाइज किसी भी एंगल को हम स्ट्रेट एंगल नहीं बोल सकते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ एंगल is reflex angle. The angle which is more than 180 but less than 360. Angle that is more than 180 but less than 180 degree, sorry, 360 degree is called reflex angle. We can note it like this: more than 180, that is reflex angle. But less than 360. ओके, आप डिफरेंसेस लर्न कर सकते हो या फिर जो नीचे हमने नोट किया गया है साइन फॉर्म में उससे भी लर्न कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड नाउ देयर इज a quick revision of angles that 0 degree is called, this is a range 0, then 1 to 89 को क्या बोलते हैं. ओके, देन 90 डिग्री को क्या बोला जाता है, देन 91 to 189, 179 and then 180 and then 181 to 359, sorry there is one back, and then 360. Okay, and the last angle is 7 type of complete angle. 7 type of angle, complete angle, that is equal to 360. Complete angle is 360 degree. Means 0 degree is called 0 angle. Okay, and 129 कुछ भी हो, that is acute angle. 90 degree हो, that is right angle. 91 to 179 कुछ भी हो, that is obtuse angle. 180 means straight angle. 180 to 359 reflex angle, and 360 is complete angle. Okay, 0 degree, 0 angle, 129 कुछ भी हो acute angle, 90 degree, right angle, 91 to 179 कुछ भी हो, 91 से लेकर 179 तक, that is obtuse angle, 180 degree is straight angle, and 180 to 359 is reflex angle, 360 is complete angle. Okay, here if you get like this, tell me 185 is which type of angle? 185. If you see this table, 185 has between 181 to 365, 359. वो क्या हो जाएगा? That is, this is reflex. Clear everyone? तो ऐसे ही किसी भी कोई भी एंगल मिले आपको, आप देखेंगे किस रेंज में आ रहा है, किसमें आ रहा है, और आप इजीली बता सकते हो that is which type of angle. So clear.